Green tea?
No, it's a rice tea.
Oh, rice tea. Sheshe.
どんぐりをたどってもつきません森の小さなレストラン空っぽのポケットをまっさぐって忘れた人からたどり着く予約は一つもありません
Orange juice.
森の小さなレストラン
I like orange. Jacob, ikaw?
小鳥がパタパタ笑ってるチュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュン
Sure. Thank you. Abu, interpret mo yung menu natin.
Sabi dito,
Oh.
ito daw hindi spicy.
Oh, tapos...
Ito itim yan, spicy yan.
Yan. Tapos...
Ito daw may gulay.
Gulay. Tapos...
Ito mura lang, 3.20.
Ah, yun. Oh, discount.
Discount.
Oh, eto, to. Ano naman to? Ito, to.
Yan, pwede mong balutin yan.
Yan, pwede. Sharon.
Pwede ka mag-sharon.
Yan.
Yan.
Ganda.
The end.
Ayun.
Wala nang kasunod.
Tapos na.
Magkalbo talaga nakakatawa.
Then... Okay, kakainan sa Sharon natin. Ah, ito ng DN. DN. Lamang-lamang, mamaya po si Jacob ay magpapabili sa McDo.
Bakit?
Kasi po ito yung kakainin po namin. Yan. Malamang po ay si Jacob magpapabili sa McDonald's mamaya.
Kasi ito ang kakainin namin.
Ito kakainin namin. Oh, Jacob, kakainin mo ba to? Jacob, tingnan mo. Pakita mo.
Dishes. And wait a minute.
Okay.
Left hand side is eel sushi.
Mhm.
It's eel sushi.
Mm-hmm.
And right hand side is like the egg. The egg, the
Ah.
fruit corn.
Custard.
Yes.
Ah.
So it is like a little bit sweet.
So we eat that using this one?
Yes.
Yes.
The small spoon is for the egg.
Okay. This one, we use the chopsticks?
Yes.
Okay.
Hope
Thank
like
you.
it. Thank you.
Itadakimasu. Egg custard.
Ang sarap.
Sarap. Fresh. Let's try the eel
Ang sarap. Puti.
or unagi with seaweeds. Itadakimasu. Magkanin ba sa ilalim with rice? Sarap.
Ano
Uishi.
nakakain?
And is Japanese hojicha flavor. It use the hojicha to bake the pork. And use the chopstick and can take it.
Okay, thank you. Itadakimasu, pork ribs. Fall off the bone. Lambot. Tikman natin. Juicy. Very malambot. May lasa siya na parang nilagay na parang ibang klaseng soy sauce. Nasa marinade siguro. Ito yung tawag ng Kojak seasoning. Wishy. Papa, itaas mo. Ito doon sa akin.
Wala pang apoy. Wala siya. Simple lang.
Okay.
And this one is metal sushiyaki.
Sukiyaki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to open the fire.
Yun. Thank you.
Rick,
Yes.
Ay, iyan mo na siya.
you did it for him.
Thank you.
Wow.
Uy.
Sarap.
Ay. Iyo ba yan, Abu? Ha? Katikatero ka, itigigisang nga tayo. O yan na, meron ka din eh. Yan ang pakialaman mo. Ikaw talaga, katikatero kang Abu ka. Belated happy birthday, Abu! Halo-halo mo. Pakita natin. Mushroom. Tomatoes. Corn. Ano to? Patola? Leeks. Sarap. Cucumbers.
Ito mo, pwede na kainin.
Hindi, iluluto mo doon. 2 seconds lang. Thank you. This is mackerel.
This is a fried fish, and the sauce, well, a little bit sour and sweet. It's a,
Sour and sweet.
yeah.
Ah.
The fried bamboo is use the Mangao sauce. It's a Taiwanese special spices. So
Ah.
it a little bit sour, a little bit spicy. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Matinik.
Mayroon siyang kakaibang sauce. Pero malasa.
Luya.
Malasa siya.
どんぐりをたどってもつきません森の小さなレストラン
Miso
空っ
soup
ぽのポ
with
ケット
rice
まっさぐ
and
で
radish.
忘れて
radish
人からたどり着く予約は一つもありません
Ah, pickled carrot. Why is it not color orange?
空席だらけのランチ時
Okay. This one is miso soup.
鳥がパタパタ笑ってるチュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュン
That is from
チュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュン
Sweet potato
チュル
rice.
チュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュンチュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュン
is from French.
真っ赤なペンキのトータン屋根メニューはおすす
Okay,
め
thank you very much.
厨房の方から聞こえてるバイオリンフルートチェロビオラようこそいらっしゃいたらふく食べたらお眠りよそれでは皆さんさようなら明日は明日でエトセトラララランランランランランララランララランランランランランララランチェロビオラようこそいらっしゃい